Smokin! Smokin! Hello?
Oh, what do you say? What do you know?
I didn't mean to interrupt your tunes.
Look at this.
Look at the size of that skillet.
Look at that. Yeah.
We got some grilled chicken.
I'm going to throw this in here. I can't take it no more. Yeah.
Do it. Sing it.
That chicken so good, I'll be hitting the floor. Ha! Look at that. Change the pot. Oh, I got it in the pan.
Can I show them my salad?
Yeah, show me salad, baby. Go ahead.
Go ahead. You can keep singing. And here we have a beautiful salad.
Yeah.
I didn't dress it yet.
No.
I'm making my special dressing. I can tell you I use some pomegranate vinegar, a little bit of granola, and some olive oil.
Yeah.
But anyhow, back to the king over here. Look at that grilled chicken.
Good gracious.
You know somebody's hungry tonight. Anything else, Smokin? Smokin. You want to say hello to anybody?
Oh, what do you say? What do you say? What do you know? Look at this, man. This is crazy. I got this rocking out here, and guess what?
Jeff and Sweet Tea, check it out.
That's it, man. That's ready to go. That's finito.
That's just a little snack for me and Joe.
Just a little snack. You know the kid, man. When we eat, we gotta eat.
Yeah, we gotta eat, but we better go get some brews first.
Oh man, look at this.
Oh my God.
Goodness.
Okay, I gotta go. I'm getting hungry.
Oh yeah.
Anything else?
Listen, that's all we got, man. Look at this stuff. This is so awesome. Some chicken cutlets, some onions, garlic, some peppers, and some carrots, julienne style. Boom, wood in there. And I gotta tell you, it's off the hook. Little cayenne pepper, garlic powder, salt, pepper. Bam, done. That's it. That's all I got. You know the deal. I gotta go, because you know what? I gotta eat. I'll see you.